Hannah. Here.
Yes.
Okay. Hello, Hannah. How are you?
I'm
Good? Okay, are you ready for your speaking test?
yes.
Okay, so let's start. So let's start with part 1. Okay, part 1 is about using the present continuous. Okay, look at this picture. What he's doing? He's playing with a sheep, right? So he's playing with the sheep. Now this time I'm going to ask you 4 questions. Okay? So look at number 7. What he is doing?
He is playing the guitar.
Very good. Next, how about the number 8? What's he doing?
He is playing football.
How about number 9? What's he doing?
He is catching the ball.
And last, number 10. What's he doing?
He is riding a horse.
Very good. Now let's move with the letter B. I'm going to point again. And you're going to answer. Example, look at the number 1. Is she reading a book? Yes, she is. Now I'm going to ask you, okay? Look at the number 2. Are they skateboarding?
Yes, they are.
Number 3. Is she eating an apple?
Yes, she is.
Very good. Number 4. Is she watching a movie?
No, she isn't.
And number 5. Are they playing soccer?
No, they aren't.
Okay, very good. Next. So, look at these persons. They have different abilities. So, I'm going to describe first Hugo. Look at Hugo. Okay? Hugo can ride a horse. What else? Can sing and can play the piano. But he can't swim and he can ride a bike. Okay, now I'm going to ask you, how about me?
My can riding a bike.
Horse.
I riding a horse. My can singing. My can riding a bike.
But
Both my can swimming. Both my can play the piano.
very good. How about Alex? Alex?
And the Alice can singing. Can swimming. And can play the piano.
Okay, the correct for that is can sing, can swim. Okay? And can
Play the piano.
but
But Alex can riding a horse. But Alex can't play tennis.
okay, very good. Next, let's move to the part number 3. This one. Okay. So, in part 3, we have 2 parts, the clothes and the preposition. So, let's move with letter A first. Look at the teacher. What she's wearing?
She wearing a jacket purple and skirt purple.
How about the man? What he's wearing?
He wearing a blue shirt and black trousers.
How about you? What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a white shirt and white
Okay, very good. Now, this time, letter B, we talk about the preposition. Okay? So, look at the clock. Where is the clock?
The clock is on the wall.
How about the computers? Where are the computers?
The computer
Are
computer is
Are
on the desk.
where? On, in, under, are.
On the desk.
Okay, next. Look at, here's the map. So where are the books?
The book is under the mat.
Very good. Okay, this is the bookcase. Where are the books?
The book is on the bookcase.
In. And next, look at the teacher. Where is the teacher?
The teacher is where a book.
Where is the teacher? Where is the teacher? The teacher
Teacher is knitting.
hmm? Where is the teacher?
Teacher
In.
is in front of the door.
Okay, very good. Congratulations, Hannah. Okay. What are the abilities that you can? Say with Alex. What are the abilities that you can do? Like this. I can.
I can swimming.
I can swim. I can.
I can ride a bike.
But
Bus